All right, today we have a Landis cylindrical grinder. It's a 32 by 120 inch machine. Right now the wheel head is running, the cross feed is running. I'm gonna start the work head. You can see it's going very slowly. It is variable through the pendant. You can see I'm speeding it up, slowing it down, depending on what your preference is for what you're doing. You can also speed up and slow down your wheel head. That is variable as well. As you can see, picking up speed. You're also able to, you can jog the work head in with a course feed, in and out. You also have your hand wheel for a fine feed. Spins in both directions. Then you also have someone's adapted this so you have variable speed through the longitudinal travel. You can crank it down to very slow, or you can speed it up. You can also change your direction up here. You don't have to wait for the whole rest of the cycle. It comes to a stop, changes directions, and starts going in the other direction. There's a set of limit switches on the front that you can also set for how far. Tailstock in and out. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video.